Acromioclavicular joint injuries are really common forms of shoulder pain, but how do you know whether that's the condition that you're dealing with? This study here goes through some special testing that is useful for diagnosing acromioclavicular joint injuries, and we're going to run through the best tests that you can use step by step. So for our AC joint cluster, what we've got first of all is our cross-body adduction test. So for this test, we're going to bring the patient's arm into 90 degrees of flexion. We're going to stabilize through the scapula on the other side, and we're going to basically come into horizontal adduction and then ask the patient whether they feel any pain doing that, and you're looking for familiar symptoms around the AC joint itself. Next test we're going to do is the acromioclavicular resisted extension test. So for this test, we're going to bring the arm into a 90 degrees flexion position with slight internal rotation and 19 degrees at the elbow. And then what we're going to do is ask the patient to hold there and resist my pressure. So we're pushing into adduction and the person is resisting that pressure into abduction. And again, you're looking for pain localized around the acromioclavicular joint itself or their familiar symptoms. So last test in our AC joint cluster test would be the O'Brien's test. For this, we'd have both patients' arms outstretched into internal rotation, so thumbs down towards the ground. And then I'm going to ask Kate to resist and don't let me push you down. Good. Then we would do a second position where the palms were upright and hold and don't let me push you down and relax. So pain on the initial test with a pain reduction on the second test would be a positive O'Brien's test, especially if the pain or symptoms were localized to the acromioclavicular joint itself. If you want to be a more confident therapist and effectively manage patients really optimally, then press subscribe and hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any of these videos where we give loads of content for therapists on how to do just that. Plus my ultimate course on MSK assessment, head over to the website physio+fitness.com where you can check out the course MSK Masterclass. If you like that special test cluster video, then I know you're going to love this one. Check it out.